Good morning, everyone. One more video for the channel. This is my first video speaking English. First of all, I want to let you know that my English is not very well. So if I say something wrong, please understand that. So today I'm gonna show you a little bit of my job, the deck we did yesterday. And so let's go for it. Alright, that's the deck we did yesterday, and we're gonna show it now. So this amazing door too, we installed a few months ago. It's gonna be a solar room, sunroom. So let's go see the deck. This is the small decking you're seeing here. This is a square over here on this part, and over here they did an angle over here. We did it because they're gonna have this rock stair down there, which have access to that balcony over there. So on this deck, the owner asked to see the screws straight lining. If you guys see this screws over here, don't be afraid, the owner asked for this. And this is a cedar post, which is gonna have a cable system. As I started yesterday up there, that is another deck I want to show you on the next video. So let's go take a look on that one too. They're gonna have a nice vision over here. As you see, there's a lake over there. There's a nice sunrise right now. So let's take a look on that one too. But that is some of my tools over there. Lunch table. So my English is not so good to be talking the video. So I decided to make this video speaking English because I have some subscribers which speak and understand English. This one over here, we did like a month ago. Has a 2-panel, which has a 2-piece in the middle to divide this panel. In the same situation, this house have a lot decks. It's all kind of screws you see over here. It's because the owner asked to see. It's not something wrong, because we have another system to do it. We can screw this on the bottom or use the plug to cover the screw, but the owner asked to see this one. Yep, he's paying for see this. In the up here, we did this amazing ceiling. There's a B-board, Isaac, and the owner designed this color over here, which is gonna be really amazing when this get paint. I'm gonna paint this on dark blue, and that is the small deck I showed before, the first one. Let's take a look down here. This is all borrow trim, and this gap over here we're gonna put another kind of molding. They're gonna have access to walk down under this deck. As you see, just starting snowing. Here is a winter time. All right, this is the video. Let you comment down below if you understand my English. If you have an opinion, let me know. Let your like. If you're new here, just subscribe for the next video, and see you soon.